Okay, so for today's deep dive, we're looking at this app called the Rubi Network.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been downloaded by, what, over 1 million people?
At least. The numbers are huge.
All based on this promise that you can get thousands in crypto wealth by, just tapping a button on your phone once a day.
Right. No expensive hardware, no massive electricity bills. It's that free money while you sleep idea, which is the ultimate hook.
It's a powerful hook.
And that's what we're looking into. We want to get past that promise and investigate the actual infrastructure, the team behind it. What are you really getting when you tap that button?
So the pitch is just so compelling. You hit the mining button every day, you see the tokens piling up.
And they have the referral system too.
Yeah, that 10% boost. But the real kicker is that the app shows you this token value right there on the screen. Sometimes it's $3, sometimes it's $8.
Which creates this really potent illusion that you're accumulating actual wealth instantly.
But you mentioned the infrastructure. What's going on under the hood?
Well, this is the first major red flag. They talk about cloud mining and something called the Pandora blockchain.
Okay.
But when independent researchers actually looked for it, there was nothing. There's no evidence of a functioning blockchain network.
So it's not actually mining.
No, the mining is just your phone telling their server to add a number to a database. It's not a real transaction on a transparent ledger.
If the tech is basically an illusion, then who are the people behind it? They do list a team, right?
Yeah.
Founders, developers, mostly Vietnamese names.
They do, and they claim they hold 0% of the supply to make it seem fair.
Right.
But here's where it just gets wild.
Okay.
We took those profile pictures they used for the team.
Uh-huh.
Every single one was flagged by AI detection tools as artificially generated.
Wait, you're kidding. The photos are fake.
Completely fake. These people do not exist. Their LinkedIn profiles, their GitHub accounts, any social media,
Yeah.
It all leads nowhere. It's a phantom team.
Wow. So why? Why create such an elaborate fake team if the tokens are worthless anyway? Is it just for deniability?
Deniability is a huge part of it.
Yeah.
It connects directly to the core strategy.
Okay, so you've got these tokens piling up. You think they're worth $8 each.
Yeah.
How do you cash out? There has to be a withdrawal step.
And this is the trap. This is the whole business model.
Mhm.
To withdraw, you first have to complete KYC verification.
Know your customer. So sending them your ID, personal data,
Exactly. And to finalize that process, you have to pay a fee.
with real money.
No, that's the genius of it. You pay the fee anywhere from 2 to 12 Ruby blocks using the tokens you just mined.
So you're paying them with their own fake currency.
Precisely. Ruby isn't on Binance, it's not on Coinbase. The dollar value you see is meaningless. The only thing of actual value being exchanged is your personal data for their. Nothing.
It's a perfectly closed loop.
A closed loop.
And they just keep people hooked by kicking the can down the road, don't they? They launched in 2022, promised withdrawals by late 2023.
Then Q1 2024.
And both of those deadlines just came and went.
And now the timelines are super vague, stretching into late 2025.
So at the end of the day, what is this app actually doing?
It's making money from you watching ads every single day.
Yeah.
And it's harvesting your personal data through that KYC process. They delay the listing to keep the hope alive, but the real product is you, your data, and your ad views.
So really what this means for you, the listener, is that every day you're tapping that button, you're not building your own wealth. You're basically working for them for free.
You're giving them your time, your ad revenue, and eventually your verified identity. It all raises a pretty critical final question for you to think about.
Go on.
Since we know the tokens have no market value, and we know the development team is completely fake, what specific goal or future leverage is this app trying to gain by collecting all of that personal identification data through a compulsory KYC process?